Hi, welcome to this short screencast about how invites work on Wubbub. Every author or publisher, once they make some books available with Wubbub, can send out invitations to read it to any of our users. Now, if you want to receive invites like this, you have to make sure on your profile that the box at the very bottom, let authors and publishers send me book invites, is checked. If that's not checked, then you won't show up in any searches. You also have to make sure that you have some favorite genres selected so that our authors and publishers can work out who best to send their invitations to. Once you've done that, then as soon as a publisher or author makes a book available, they can do a search for readers who they think are going to enjoy it. They'll find you in their list and they'll send you an invitation. Once you get an invitation, we'll notify you. It'll ping through into your email, and then you'll find all of your invitations sitting down here in your invites section. They'll look just like this. You can see that on the 16th of August we received an invitation for How to Survive. We accepted it, and once we've accepted it, it'll show up in our reading lists section. You can then move it about from list to list depending on what you want to do. And that's it. Happy reading.